In this video, I'll show you how to easily reduce the size of app icons on any iPhone. Make sure to wait until the end to avoid any mistakes. If your app icons have become larger on your iPhone, it might be due to accidental changes in your settings. Let's fix that. The process is quite simple. First, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down until you found Display and Brightness. Now scroll all the way to the bottom to find the Display Zoom option. Here you can make the app icon smaller by selecting the default option. Just switch it from larger text back to default, then tap Done. A pop-up will appear. Select Use Standard. Your iPhone will freeze for a few seconds while the changes are applied. Once it's done, you'll notice that the app icons are now smaller again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it some up.